Hello guys, ngasi video asida akhoi Chief Minister na Trinamool Congress ki MP Abhijeet Banerjee na Parliament da Manipur ki matang tham ki warol adu da pi ki ba paukhum adu kayam chummi na thong chumde hai do ngasi ki video asida khangminasi.
I would like to appeal to the opposition, the India groups led by the Congress. Please don't play PT politics. Even in the budgetary discussion for non-mentioning of Manipur, they are trying to make an issues. What is the use of mentioning all the state? Yesterday, Madam Sitaramanji has already clarified. The state of Manipur is getting enough funding from the center since the beginning of the evening, as well as for the cyclone, for the hailstorm also, we got enough money.
Mr. CM paisa khaji khara pirak paduga budget special oine allot toroga pirak paduga khena khangbi draba male budget Manipuri gini haina hapagi allot torok pa haibasi paisa adu kadai da sizinagani kamdong sizinagani haina proper planning ama toroga loina time bound leiraga utilize tawdoni backdoor dagi pirak pa paisa ko pirak aduga yam khenai internally displaced people singi damak paisa asuk nauna yum sana bagi damak rehabilitate tawnabagi damak na paisa asuk haina budget ta hape Manipur gi haina lawthokpaduni Manipur gi praja singna taning libasi.
And we have already distributed CGI costing of 43 crores only for the hailstorm, and for the flooding also just we have distributed 10,000 each to the East family. From where this money comes, all the money is providing from the center, and there is no question of mentioning that this kind of PT politics will not do it.
Assam ki phat ki di package oina pire na ming pallaga lawtho aga aikhoi gi Manipur gi na kari gi dawbak lawthokri bano mang ta khriba mayam ase 47 crore aduna loina mention ba konaradra aduga 10,000 pigani haibasi tha ke apabu gi manung da beneficiaries singda phangan ga doino exactly hebiyo madu gi paisa du ta na tha ke ya sahi ke changan ga dori. Manipur needs more than rupees 1,000 crore to facilitate internally displaced people for their resettlement. Yum mai cha khraba sing mayum hallaga sadabi yaroi yum ma sabasi lising khaina sabi abanate at least 5 to 7 lakhs per household dagaroi aduga Churachapur or Moredagi Selakhiba Mayamadu Hanjindra Mapamadu Labi Agadra Yaroi the boy Rogadi Atopa alternate area with the Lamlaiduna Lehendabi Yaroi Lam Labasi 10 to 20 lakhs per household dagaroi Masi Pesasi budget the Hapake lot of Tragadi Kada de Gilawadori Masi Manipur government give unitaki Pibangam Gadaba Sentandra Aduga, like Hidreba Villas, volunteer singing Upi Angang singing the Magyai Fanabakari, Habu Packet of a plan lady, have to some the Kangandio.
They are doing Manipur 24/7. Honorable Prime Minister is looking after, Honorable Union Home Minister is looking after, and the peace is restoring. Instead,
I hope CMC Central leaders in defense of one of the Suyam Biji Ojaravan. I hope CMC BJP CMC marked quite a loyal over CM Amani Hybrid the Hemen with Holoi. Kanagum Mamana Central leader criticized the woman that I hope CM past the defense of the Vector Horopani. Yai Kasukai de Loyal Lobiu with the Loyal Rabadina Madugi Mamansulobi or Ibani. Aduga. And
the second point, I want to clarify one thing. One Mr. Abhijeet, Honorable MP from Trinamool Congress, he raised issues in the parliament saying that the Manipur issues or burning 1 year is doing nothing. What he knows? What he knows about Manipur? Why he is not caring about his Bengal? What is happening in Bengal since the last 10 years? Women were killing on the road. People are beating on the road and the killings, raping. What they are doing? What is happening in Bengal and why he is raising the issues of the Manipur?
Abhijeet Banerjee na Manipur gi matang na kari khangdana ngangli no mathau kari leidana no haibadu aikhoi Manipur gi praja gi oinadi any India gi MP amana India means Bharat ki MP amana Manipur gi matang na puthokuna highlight tawbasi yamna nungaijai Abhijeet na Manipur gi matang da kayam khangba khangdaba haibadu khangdre aduga Marks India gi MP amani aduna any India gi MP amana any India gi mafam amda thokpe issue amagi matang da mark na wangam gi right lay aduga akhoi CM na haibda internal displaced people masagi mayamda hamjillaga laibe yaure hai
many people has gone back to their earlier residence and resettlement has started and
masi kam sumbano haibda ai di khangre adu akhang basingna masagi mayumda hanjin khiba mi khangba yauradi comment da dum mention tawbiramu yagani Okay, aduga sisi purna tranga mori da gichela kiba mayam duna kaidongai masagi mayam da hanjin ba yagani haibidu so mayam da hibiyo normal sila di toin hairi prime minister so hairi home minister amisana so hairi akhogi cm na so hairi.
This is a sign of returning normalcy and peace in the state, so we have to encourage it.
Masida ina hangning lebadi karamba context sa lakpa normal sino sini noi kam na bale pasira natrang na mi sibgi chang han thabasira natrang na yum mai ano ba chak gi chang han thabasira normal sila ai hairi se akhoi manipur da hojik law and order gi phibam kang khung chai diba kidnap tawning ba mi adum kidnap tawriba hanning ba mi adum hat diba hana numidang da evening mela tawdana nungai na leiram badu amuk pung taruk ta ba thokpa yadriba bom langsilame nongmai kapsilame haibgi pautoi na tariba bounty hunter sing thorak liba masagi mayumda nungai ni hipna leiramba mioi sing adu hojik relief camp da chahi am helaba phawba ka amada imung amagi mi tare nipal leiba sibu normal si kauribra masi ai su khangdre sibu normal si kauribra su khangdre thank you matang si loi silage